Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Master Words English. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Daniel. Today we're doing something special, real English practice. No boring grammar, no reading from a textbook, just real conversation.
Exactly. We're going to talk like real friends do. So if you want to speak English naturally, stay with us till the end.
Okay, Sarah, let's start with something simple. How was your morning?
My morning was busy. I woke up late, spilled my coffee, and almost missed the bus.
Oh no, classic Sarah, you're always running late.
Hey, that's not true. I was early once last month.
Once a month, that's progress.
What about you, Daniel? How was your morning?
Not bad. I woke up early, went for a quick jog, and made myself a smoothie.
Wow, so healthy. You sound like one of those morning routine YouTubers.
Pretending. Step 1, wake up at 5 a.m. Step 2, meditate with your cat.
Oh, please, my cat would just sit on my face if I tried that.
All right, let's practice some useful daily English phrases for our viewers.
Great idea. So, one good phrase is, "How's your day going?" It's a friendly way to start a conversation.
Yes, and you can answer like, it's going great. Not bad, thanks. Or even, pretty busy, but I'm managing.
Perfect. Here's another one. When something good happens, you can say, "That made my day."
For example, Sarah, when you bring me donuts, that makes my day.
Then I'll bring donuts tomorrow.
You better.
Now, what about when things go wrong?
You can say, I'm having a rough day, or it's been a long day.
Yeah, or "I just need a break." We say that all the time.
Let's also teach how to sound natural, not like a robot.
Right. Instead of "I am fine," you can say, "I'm good. Doing okay. Can't complain."
And don't forget to add emotion in your voice. That's how real people talk.
Okay, now let's do a short role play for real English practice.
Great. What's the situation?
We meet at a cafe after a long week. Ready?
Ready.
"Hey, Daniel, long time no see. How's life?"
Hey, Sarah. Busy as always. Work's been crazy. You?
Same here. I've been working nonstop. I seriously need a vacation.
Tell me about it. I'm dreaming of the beach right now.
You and me both. Maybe we should plan a trip after this.
That's what real English sounds like. Relaxed, friendly, and natural.
So, friends, if you want to speak like this, practice real English every day.
Don't just memorize, use it in daily life.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Master Words English.
We'll see you in the next video.